Once you're finished with your recording, you hit end recording, you'll come to this screen in Screencastify. And the first thing you probably want to do is go into the upper left hand corner and hover over the date and time. That's the default name. And you want to rename it something you'll remember, something you can find. So it'll be easy for you to find. Once you hit enter, it'll save that. The options in the upper right hand corner that we have are to download the video. The first one is save to disk. You really don't have to do this on a Chromebook. It'll automatically save to Google Drive. But if you were on a PC or a Mac, you could use this to download it directly to the computer. You can also export as an animated GIF or as an MP4. The next icon is the share icon, and when you click on it, you can choose whether to share it on Google Drive or to share it on YouTube. It also lets you choose the privacy levels that you can set. Now, if you're on Google Drive and you choose your privacy settings, depends on what you want to do. You can save it just to your school district, but a copy link will come up and the icon that will let you embed it immediately in Google Classroom. The next option is crop and trim, and there's not a lot of editing features built into this, but you can do a few things, and we'll take a look at that now. First thing you probably want to do is to stop it. It'll automatically start playing, and if I don't stop it, you'll hear my voice twice. The options that we're presented with are to trim, and we can trim from the beginning of the video to a point where we want to start. If there's something at the beginning we don't want to include in the video, resolution. And then we can also trim at the end of the video. And this is very useful because a lot of times at the end of a Screencastify session, there's a bit of a pause while you go up to the icon to hit stop recording. And that could be something you could trim off on the end. The other thing that we have available to us is the crop tool. And in that, we can focus in on just a part of the video and reduce our original video to a smaller size. So this would be very useful if you've got a group of students and you want to just single out one student as an example of what you're trying to teach. You would just take this tool and imagine there are a couple of students at a table. I could just crop around one of those students, and that's the only student that's going to show up in the video. And once we're done, we hit save edit. The options down here are to save, edit, and remove original. We don't want to do that because we might want to go back and get that other student either to the left or the right in the image, or we may want to change the trim settings. So if we just hit save, edit, we will get the original is still safe, and then our new one, which is being processed right now, will be trimmed and cropped down. And we'll take a look at that real quick. Now, right at the beginning, it'll automatically start playing. So I won't be talking, so you won't hear me twice. Second, resolution. So here's the finished video. And in this, we see that we've now narrowed down to just that center part of the video. And notice it's now called the edited version, so that the original, again, you can come back and use, but it's automatically saved to the Google Drive. There's nothing you really need to do at this point, so you can just go on to your next recording.